Sandra Pond, a testament to the beauty of Westboro and the power of human ingenuity. Thousands rely on this reservoir every day for comfort, fishing, and drinking water. Yet many do not know of its secret history lying just below the surface. Who was Sandra A. Finsworth?
Sandra Finsworth is actually the namesake of Sandra Pond. She is quite famously the first fish caught at the Civic Club's fishing challenge.
I'm sure we all remember reading about her in 5th grade, but I wonder if we dive deeper, who was she before the catch?
Well, that's a fantastic question. See, the truth is...
Fintastic.
Right. Well, the truth is, we don't know that much about her, but there are some clues. For instance, she was large, maybe 20 inches, which suggests a rich, plentiful diet. I mean, whoever she was, she almost certainly had societal clout.
Perhaps she was a government official?
Well, that's unlikely because it's a war crime to fish a politician.
Ah, too bad. It's so heartbreaking that we'll never know her full story.
Well, that's history for you. But just because something is forgotten does not mean it's lost forever. Why, just last year at the fishing challenge, we stumbled upon the journal that we believe belonged to her eldest daughter. I've got it right here. There was a passage detailing her final words. Let me see, I'll read you some. It reads, "Oh boy, this looks good. Yum, yum, yum. Happy birthday to me."
Wow. That was powerful.
It's moments like these that make me reckon with my own mortality.
Absolutely. Do you think she tasted bussin', though?
Whoever she was almost certainly, I did the line wrong again. I can't remember. Yeah, we don't. I couldn't remember.
You really want me to do this next line? All right, let's
I can't look at you doing it. So if it's okay, I'm gonna look over here.
Yeah, just look past. This isn't gonna work. It's just horrible puns. There's no way I can look you in the face.
Well, that's a fantastic question. The truth is that you're supposed to say fantastic in the middle because I don't have another word after the truth is. She was, I can't get the next line. Damn it to hell. Whichever and whoever she was.
Ooh.
And the truth is that we may never know that much about it. I don't know where we're going. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Okay.
Tim! Help me. Why? But just because I think it's the opposite.
No, you had it.
That's right.
You had it.
We believe while we were at the fishing challenge that we found, I saw you smile. I saw you smile.
It just went up the tiniest bit.